Hi WordPress users, welcome to our channel. The allowed memory size exhausted error is a very common problem with WordPress. This occurs when a WordPress plugin or theme requires more memory than the allocated limit. This can be caused by a number of factors such as large images, poorly written code, or a large number of plugins. To fix this error, you can try the following steps. Step 1. Increase the memory limit. The easiest solution is to increase the memory limit by adding the following code to your wp-config.php file. This will increase the memory limit to 256 megabytes. One of the easiest method of editing wp-config.php file is to install the plugin file manager. With this, you can change the wp-config.php from WordPress admin itself. Watch this. However, this may not be a permanent solution and may cause other issues if your server is not configured to handle the increased memory. If that does not help, go for step 2. Disable plugins. Try disabling plugins one by one to see if a plugin is causing the issue. Sometimes, a poorly written plugin can consume a lot of memory and cause the error. If even that did not work, test the third step. Check for memory leaks. Memory leaks can occur when a script fails to release memory. Check your code for any memory leaks and fix them. You can also use several memory profiling tools available for PHP that can help you identify memory leaks in your code. Some popular tools include Debug, Blackfire, and Tideways. These tools can generate memory usage reports that show which functions or parts of your code are consuming the most memory. Most important is that good coding practices, such as properly deallocating resources and closing database connections, can help prevent memory leaks from occurring in the first place. Step 4. Use caching. Caching can help reduce the memory usage of your WordPress site. Use a caching plugin or implement caching at the server level. To implement caching in WordPress, you can use a caching plugin such as WP Super Cache, W3 Total Cache, or WP Rocket. These plugins generate static HTML files from your dynamic WordPress site, which can be served to visitors without the need for a full page generation. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the allowed memory size exhausted error in WordPress. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more video related to WordPress errors.